Sustainable development as a part of the ESG agenda isn't just a global trend. It's a necessity dictated by our present. Russia has been contributing to the implementation of ESG strategies since 2020 and has been supporting companies that subscribe to the use of green technologies. In 2021, PepsiCo, being an advocate of positive change for the benefit of our planet, decided to partially switch from electricity to solar energy in one of its factories in Rostov region. At first, we had a realization that we wanted to become more environmentally friendly. By we, I mean PepsiCo. We came up with solutions, made an SPP model, and then conducted field tests. The solar power plant, located next to the PepsiCo factory, extends to 32,000 square meters. The power plant is partially able to compensate the electricity consumption from the central grid. This way, it significantly reduces the cost of electricity. In order to technically and economically justify the choice of photovoltaic modules for this solar power station, we needed to conduct field tests. There is a huge misconception that there isn't enough sunlight in the Russian Federation, so we had to refute it with a successful field test. We have shown the company and its technical team that this was technically possible and the generated output would be substantial. Speaking about the commercial aspect, we received economic indicators that were accepted by the company. The field tests allowed us to calculate the right balance between the generating capacity and the power of the inverter system. That's how we can economically justify the choice of a particular equipment. An unbalanced system increases both the payback period of the project and the electricity costs. We used photovoltaic modules with a capacity of 540 watts for this project. We took into account the installation time, the weight of the structures, and the balance between the unit power of the controller and the total power of the photovoltaic modules connected to this controller. It's this balance that made it possible to achieve a record estimated payback period of 5 to 6 years and reduce the cost of electricity relative to the grid by 30%. And the payback in terms of image, the payback in terms of the ESG agenda, the payback in terms of certified emission reductions will be achieved by the third year. Thanks to the ESG agenda, sustainable development is available not only to individual companies, but to the whole energy sector. However, it's important to understand that this photovoltaic system is owned by the customer, and the cost of a kilowatt-hour of electricity received from this system is fixed at the time of completion of the construction. That is, no one will reconsider the cost of a kilowatt-hour once the construction is done. When the photovoltaic system works in parallel with the grid, it mixes with grid electricity, compensating the consumption of our sources. This energy balance allows for the most efficient use of the photovoltaic plant. We hope that our calculations will be proved by the field tests. In this case, we will be able to launch the second stage of construction with our partner and achieve even higher energy efficiency. We will accompany our client all the way from pre-design service to the full completion of the project and its commissioning. We are always there for our clients, every step of the way.